Hi, Beethika. Recording
Yes.
started. So let's continue the session.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Beethika. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing great. And what about you?
I'm doing fantastic because these days things are all going on well as it is planned. So it's all great. Great. It's God's grace.
Thank you for asking and
Okay,
connect.
it's only about it's very hot here. Other than that, no complaints. But yeah, AC is the greatest support, and because of that, the life is going on well. But it is really very, very hot here, and temperature is increasing day by day. What about at your place? How is the weather there?
Here, yes, here is now pleasant and some cloudy because yesterday it was raining. That's
Mm-hmm.
why I'm feeling cool.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with the introduction, short introduction. All right. So I am Manju and I'm connecting to you, Beethika, from Lucknow. Basically, I am from Lucknow. And if you talk about my educational qualification and my profession, so yes, after completing my master's, I started teaching. So I am a teacher by profession. I taught for more than 3 decades in a regular institution. And after that, I retired. After retirement, I started my YouTube channel named Grammarwithmanjumam, where I started uploading English contents. This is pretty much about me. Now over to you with Beethika. You can introduce yourself.
Sure. So first of all, ma'am, thank you. Give me an opportunity so I can elaborate myself also.
Mhm,
I'm Beethika Kundu. I am connecting from Kolkata in West
mhm.
Bengal, and I passed my masters in philosophy, and now I am doing masters post graduation in another subject like political science, and I teach some students in evening, and I also run a YouTube channel. The name of my channel is English with BT. That's all about it.
Okay, so you are doing double MA. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what was the inspiration behind it that doing masters in political science?
Actually, ma'am, since my childhood, I am passionate about teaching. So, whenever it comes to teach, that time I teach some students philosophy, history, and pol science. So now I think I get some time. Why not I properly utilize? So I
Hmm.
restart my further education, and also I want to improve my English communication skill. That's why I'm here.
Oh, sounds great that at this age you are trying to even be a teacher and be a student. You are also doing, yeah. So it's not easy. All right.
So
Nice to
many
hear.
role I have to play. So many role I have to play. Sometimes I'm a teacher, sometimes I'm a learner, as a mom, sometimes I'm a housewife.
Yes,
So I
you.
have to manage everything.
Yes. One person has many roles, huh?
Yes,
And we are the ones we have to get fit in every situation, isn't it?
yes,
Yes, yes,
absolutely right.
yes.
And you are my inspiration.
Pa-
I
pa-
told you
yes.
several times, and now once again, I thanks, grateful for me.
I did not get you, Vitika. Please, once again. You said something, I could not get you. Can you repeat?
Okay.
Yes, please.
No, ma'am. Just I want to say thank you once
Okay,
again.
okay, okay. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure, my dear. No need
For
to
doing
say thank you. There is no formality required. Whenever you want to connect with me, and if I have time, it's my duty and honor to connect with you. And just it's a matter of 10 or 15 minutes. It's not like you are demanding something great from me. Okay. So if talking for 10, 15 minutes and that gives you happiness or that gives me happiness, we should certainly fix a session and we should just talk simple things. It's just normal conversation, general conversation. We have not selected any topic even, although I was thinking that we will discuss on certain topics, but due to time limit, yeah, today we can't do it, but some other day we can certainly discuss certain topics and yeah. That's how that video can be more fruitful. But yeah, more than that, it was important to check that how to record videos, because ever since Skype is retired, people are more worried that how to record a session.
Ma'am,
So how
I also
how
face
you are recording these days? How are you
Ma'am,
recording the videos these days?
in these days I also face the problem, and I just enhance to myself by reading, writing. That part I more focusing.
Okay, okay. No, no, I was asking Beethika that you have your YouTube channel and now Skype is not working. Okay, so how are you recording the videos for your channel?
Ma'am, in these days I am recording just a slow video.
Solo videos. Oh, okay, okay. That is possible.
So
That is
it's a
possible.
short sweet video.
Ah, nice, nice. Because many people are facing this problem because the Skype was very friendly for people. They started and they were well acquainted about Skype. Now, when it comes to another applications, they are not well versed about it. Like Teams, they are practicing, but I don't know whether Teams allows to record or not. I have no idea. But I had been recording on the Zoom only. So for me, it is not a great difficulty. But for others, yes, they are every now and then asking that how do you record, ma'am? Because Skype is not working these days, whether Teams is working or not. So I have no clue. I thought that maybe you must be knowing about it, that Teams is recording or not. I'll check it whether it is
No,
possible. It's
no,
not
ma'am,
recording.
it's not in team. I
Okay.
also tried, but not. And in these days, my laptop is not in my side because it is next to my son.
Okay, okay. That is the problem. Yeah. If laptop is there, then I think Zoom is the best because
Zoom is the best
yeah,
because here is the thing option is there.
yeah, and it gives us nearly 40 minutes, so it's not as less time. We can certainly connect with two people and we can record a small videos. Yeah. Okay, Bitika, if you have any questions from your side, you can just feel free. You can ask. I would love to answer your questions.
No, you can feedback me, and because I am newcomer, so you can suggest me something so that I can go ahead smoothly.
Bitika, you are already a teacher, okay? And earlier when we connected, you have already improved from that level where you were there. You have already improved. So you can better understand that what all things did you do so that you have come up to this level, okay? And just keep doing those things. You know, I know, and everybody knows that reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So, more
Yes,
than those two parts, I feel that listening and speaking, these two things work wonder. Okay. So, when you listen
yes,
to some English contents and you try to speak, that's how you can improve. Certainly, reading and writing and just learning a few new words every day, those things will certainly improve and your English will be even better. Okay. But initially, listening and speaking is more important, and that you have been doing, I feel, listening and speaking. But speaking with whom? That is the biggest challenge. And now you are there in the group, so you must be practicing with co-learners.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that's how. There is no secret to learn any language. Okay, the
Yes, I
secret is
know
just
hardworking,
as you have learned
hardworking.
Bengali, as you have learned Hindi, in the same way you can learn English also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are saying something, Bitika.
Yes, actually, ma'am, I know hardworking and consistency is the main parts,
Key.
main things in our journey. So
Mhm.
I try my best.
Yes, yes, keep doing that. And then you just keep checking yourself that where am I? Am I improving? That's it. And you will improve because hard work never goes in vain. When you will put in some effort, certainly you will get the fruits of it. Okay. So that is the mool mantra of learning any language, any language. Okay. So I think today's session we should wrap up here so that
It's a lovely conversation. I think it's a lovely conversation, ma'am.
Short but sweet. Yes, yes,
Short,
yes.
simple, but beautiful.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.